Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. Today we're going to take you around a late 2020 registered Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle long wheelbase. This is the SE version, 150 PS engine and the 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. It's got our MASV Styling pack on the front with all the gloss black accents and the lower subtle front spoiler. Matte contrast badging. Indium Grey, this one of the most popular colours there is. Only done just a shade over 8,000 miles. It's got brand new 20-inch gloss black Velour alloy wheels with Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres on it. 30mm lowering springs just to make it sit right on those wheels. And it's got sidebars and roof rails too. Full privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle. Now this one inside is going to look slightly odd, seeing as we have no seats in it yet. So just awaiting the seats coming back from the leather trimmers, and they will be as per the pictures in our listing, as they're exactly the same as another one we've just done. So I'm going to put the pictures in the listing for you, just so you can see what that's like. Now, factory standard specification, it does come with parking sensors front and rear and adaptive cruise control. This one's got 3-zone climate, so different temperatures either side in the front, and then using these vents in the rear, you can have climate control going through there as well at whatever temperature you want separate. So it gets nice and cold in all 3 rows, which is really useful if we have a heat wave again. You've got the Discover Media navigation unit. So it's got hardwired nav, and you can also use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to show you messages, WhatsApps and Google Maps on there as well. Moving around, I say only 8,000 miles on it. I'm sure if you look microscopically, you'll find the odd little chip or mark that we've had to touch in on it. Just the nature of having been on the road for a couple of years. But as you can see, it is presented superbly. Debadged at the back, apart from the contrast matte VW badge. We have a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector there, just saving any potential scuffs at the back. And that's the view of the inside. These being long wheelbase, they're 40 centimetres longer than a standard wheelbase model. Just gives you that extra space to get things like bikes and luggage in. As you can see, stands really well with the wheels and the styling kit. This one's also had a carbon leather trimmed wheel fitted, so carbon at the top here and at the bottom, and then shaped leather on the sides. Just finishes it off nicely. And the mileage 8,189 miles as of today. So lovely low mileage. This one is still VAT qualifying, so if you're purchasing through a VAT registered business, you may be able to reclaim some or all of the VAT. We've got 20 plus photos and a full description at www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Part exchange is welcome, and we can provide finance facilities, so please do get in touch if you're interested in this vehicle. Thanks for watching.